Ghana, an economy supported massively by the fishing industry. Situated on the shoreline of the Atlantic Ocean, the country has learned to use its resources well. With 8% of the working population involved in fishing, the nation is now making concerted effort at modernizing this industry on a war footing. The fishermen in Ghana have been using varied fishing implements and equipments for centuries while going out to sea. The implements, although productive, are basic and outdated. One company has, therefore, decided to take up the humongous challenge of giving this entire industry a complete makeover. Therefore, the companies, that is Indocorp and Fiberplast, joined hands together to take up the humongous challenge to offer complete innovative techniques and training modules for fishing and related tasks.
We are the only company worldwide who are making boats, whether in fiberglass reinforced plastic or in aluminium or in inflatable products.
With firm support from the government, the company is not only supplying newly built state-of-the-art fiber boats, but also conducting training on fiber lining of old wooden canoes to increase their life in service by 10 to 15 years. And all it takes is not more than 1 week's time.
All the repair and maintenance facilities, all the training in repair and maintenance, educating them on how to maintain the boats, creating a skill base.
How is it done? First, the boat is dried with the help of a blower. The damaged outer wooden layer is then peeled. The outer layer of the boat is then ground to make the surface rough for applying the fiberglass sheets. The gaps, if any, are then filled with a mixture containing aerosol powder. Layers of fiberglass go next as coating with the help of a resin. This is again coated along with the pigment choice of finishing, and the canoes are ready to take on newer tasks as faster, eco-friendlier and fuel-efficient mode of transportation. Fiberplast and Indocorp endeavoring a new project. State-of-the-art, technically advanced and highly compatible boat is what we offer to our long chain of clients. Longevity, durability, cost efficiency, wave resistance, ample storage space, user-friendly. What else one could wish for when such parameters are offered under one roof? The initial but the most vital designing stage comprises of utmost compatible features and performed with due attentions under the supervision of professional designer and expert engineers.
The common name for the technology is GRP, which is glass reinforced plastics.
Yeah.
But in actual fact, the technology is more commonly known as composite technology.
On the basis of the user's requirement, the boat's sample is made ready and all standard tests and trials are carried on the sample boat. And according to the client's need, the changes are implemented. Further, we move on to the step of casting the fishing boat. For the making of fiberglass mold, we use fiber lining material like fiber sheet, resin, etc. to prepare the mold. It's a manual process performed by applying multiple fiberglass sheets on the wooden mold. We do the pasting with the resin and other chemical materials.
We design our own boats, we customize our own designs, interacting with the users. We have our own dies and development mold making facilities. We do our own prototype testings and trials, and then we produce everything from a design-oriented, design-led production.
Manually, put in multiple layers of fiberglass on the inside hull of a fishing boat so as to make it more sturdy, wherein multiple layers of fiberglass is pasted on one top of the other, and the pasting is done by resin and other material. This boat is made in two parts. First is hull preparation and another is deck for fish storage. Such big boats are fitted with diesel inboard motor for smoother operation, and capacity of engine is 40 horsepower, which is powered by diesel fuel. Fitment of an inboard motor with a load capacity to carry 7 to 9 tons of material is done in a fiberglass fishing boat. Aquamarine colors suited for the sea are applied on the boat along with other chemicals manually. The company is producing multiple varieties of fiberglass boats with different capacity, and it also produces aluminium boats which are very light in weight. The company not only produces the FRP fishing boats but also surveillance and rescue boats with hard hull and inflatable fender. The fenders have diverse compartments for filling the air. These boats are used for multiple rescue operations, and one can use accomplished 40 horsepower outboard motor with such boats. This collapsible inflatable boat is easy for transportation from one place to another because of their compact, collapsible size and lighter weight. It is always supplied with a foot-operated pump to fill the air in different compartments for the preparation of hard-hulled mold inflatable boat. The mold is prepared with wooden plywood by cutting and pasting it in different shapes and applying fiberglass sheets for smoother operation. The factory produces multiple range of such inflatable boat with varying sizes. The fender of the inflatable boat is pasted with special waterproof glue, and the joints are rubbed and polished for smoothness.
So we have customized the technology over the last 4-5 years and made it simpler and simpler and simpler, and now it is an intermediate technology for the fishing needs in Ghanaian, but it incorporates all the latest designs and all the expertise which we have as a defense and paramilitary boat builder who have to go through all this strict quality assurance and design sense.
Pasting of an inflatable fender of hard hull of a boat is to make it rigid, inflatable surveillance boat. This hard hull is treated many a times before it is pasted on the fender. Technically equipped navigation tools like fish finder and fishing accessories such as emergency flares, life buoy, fishing rod, life jackets, oar, fishing reel, fishing gears like hooks and nets, which are easy to handle and economically priced. Indocorp and Fiberplast are now poised to provide this opportunity to the entire African continent. Get in touch with us at the center nearest to you and avail our benefits to make your earning easier. Take the Indocorp advantage now to stay ahead of your competition.